What if one day you left all the noise behind? No screens, no signals, no Wi-Fi. Just the open road. And packed bags. And a little promise to slow down and reconnect. Where would you go? What would you discover? And what if one day, that simple day trip turns out to be one of your favorite family memories ever?
Happy birthday!
Well, we finally experienced farm life. I've been dreaming of this for so long. Pero bitang dad-uni mo ang mga kids sa farm. I even caught myself wishing, mainta na ako'y friends or kailan na farm, oy. It's something I've always wanted the kids to experience. To breathe in fresh air, chase chickens, run freely, feel the soil under their feet, get their hands dirty, feed the farm animals, and just be thankful for nature. That kind of moment where kids get to feel how beautiful nature is. And you get to teach them the value of taking care of our home planet. And we did all that at GKG Farm. No filters, no scrolling, just nature in all its muddy, magical glory. We wanted to stay overnight, but with our current budget, we chose a day tour instead. And honestly, it didn't stop us from experiencing everything. Tanan farm activities amo ijud gisuwayan. I've been teaching Caleb the things we do to be kind to Mother Earth. And here he is planting mahogany trees. First time jud niya magtanong. It was so cute watching them use their little hands to gently pat the soil. I really hope those trees grow healthy and tall. The kids were in awe. They saw guinea fowls, ducks, geese, native chickens, sheep, rabbits, even bees. And the worms, they also have vermicomposting. Their eyes were wide like, is this real farm life? It felt surreal. We were completely immersed in farm life, even just for a day. Lingaw kaayo. Now, the swimming pool. Last year, Caleb was hospitalized because of dirty pool water. So since then, we promised no more swimming unless it's 100% spring water. And this one, it was pure spring water. Fresh, natural, and overflowing. So we let them swim, and we're so glad we did. Enjoy jud kaayong swimming. Perfect for the summer. Chameleon time, sige cannonball jump, hasta ko papilon jud. The swimming pool was exclusive to us since kami ra ang visitor that day. Super sulit jud kaayo. Pila ka oras sige swimming, miski medyo bugnaw ang tubig. Water? And yes, nakakupot na jud mig honeybees. The beehive orientation was so informative. Whose favorite is that? Okay, hold it.
You put your finger there. Hey, you get some honey.
You touch it. It is like this.
Just poke it. It's like
Did you get it?
it's done.
Taste it.
Now, Jollibee isn't the only bee they know. Pero, ang little girl nakatulog in town kay tingnap na niya. Still so proud of my brave little farmers today. We also learned about mushrooms. Speaking of mushrooms, must-have jula sa among grocery list. Syempre, we bought some. Knowing it's organically grown made it even more special. Aw, si Caleb na ilad, abi chicken. Fried mushroom di ay. There were so many other activities too. We tried tilapia fishing. Pero gamay pa nga ng mga isda, so maodi pa pwede. And of course, feeding the animals. Makalingaw kaayo tanaw ng mga bata. So happy while feeding the animals with their own little hands. Here we are at the mulberry bush. We even picked fruits like mulberries. First time jud namo makakaon. Before sa libro rami makakita ana, but now we've actually tasted it. And we added the mulberries to our smoothies at home. Lamian po si Ayla, sige ra pa refill. They also had lemons and limoncito. If only nami sakyanan, lindot pamalit, oy.
Still a lemon. Lemon lime?
It's a lemon. We ended the day with a walk along the nature trail. And there's a small river too. Pero, kay summer man ta karon, nahubas ang tubig.
Let's play this game.
What? The archery? You want to play it?
Yes.
Okay. So we tried the archery too. Tag 20 pesos per arrow, so naka 180 pesos may, pero wala jud may naka bullseye. That day was simple, refreshing, loud yet peaceful. Moments like that, you just wish time would slow down. And the birthday boy, he was glowing with happiness. And so were we. Sulit jud kaayo. The kids' joy was priceless. No internet signal, no gadgets, no distractions. Just us, nature, and love. We went home tired. Nag-commute rami via habal-habal and bus. But we were completely full. Busog na busog. Not just in our tummies, but especially in our hearts. Thank you, Father God, for the gift of nature. Happy birthday, Caleb. It wasn't the grandest celebration, but it was our gift to you.
Yes.
I hope this day stays in your heart, a memory you'll treasure forever. And for us, a reminder that sometimes happiness doesn't come from faraway places or fancy parties. I truly feel we made the right choice by celebrating Caleb's 5th birthday with just us. As much as we'd love to gather all the family and friends, gasto pud baya in reality, diba? And who knows, what if that simple celebration becomes the memory our kids talk about when they're grown, the one they'll recall with a smile saying, "That was one of the best days ever." What if years from now, that was the day you'll wish you could relive? Sun-kissed skin, messy hair, happy hearts and all. What if that one ordinary day was actually the moment you all truly connected as a family? Because maybe, just maybe, the best kind of birthdays aren't found in grand venues or expensive food and parties, but in fun trails, shared laughter, and meaningful time spent together. And for us, this was exactly that. Simple, soulful, unforgettable. I pray that wherever life takes your family, may you always find joy in the little moments together. Are you having fun?
Cannonball!